Your spouse will not automatically inherit your assets if you pass away and they are in your personal name. So if you have a house, an LLC membership, rental properties, financial accounts, and you pass away and they're in your personal name and you don't have a will or a trust set up, what's going to happen is they will have to go through the probate process and they will be split up per the intestate laws. As an example, in Georgia, your assets will get split evenly between your kids and your spouse, with your spouse getting a minimum of 1/3 of your estate. Now, if you want to set up to where your spouse gets everything when you pass away and it avoids the probate process, you can set up a revocable trust. That way, you put all of your assets inside the revocable trust. When you are alive, you can be the trustee and you have full control over the assets inside that trust. When you pass away, your backup trustee can step into your role as trustee and continue management of those assets. Now, you have two options here. You can distribute those assets out to your surviving spouse, or you can keep them inside of the revocable trust and manage those assets on behalf of your surviving spouse. If you have a spouse who you don't think really cares about learning how to manage the assets that you've built wealth with, and you don't think that they would be good at it, or that at the end of their life and they really don't care, you can set up a trustee who you trust, which would be something like your kids or something like that. You can put rules, frameworks, and guidelines inside of that trust document that outlines how they should be managing and distributing those assets out to your surviving spouse at the end of their life for that period of time. That way, your surviving spouse can benefit from the assets you've built over the course of your life, but they don't have the responsibility of managing and figuring out all of the assets and financials associated with it. If you want help setting any of this up, click the link in the bio, fill out the form, and schedule a time to talk to someone on our team.